Hi everyone, welcome to the FinX Kotak Placement Link Program 2023. By now, you all must have received this mail in your inbox. I'm Devashri Naik and I'm quickly going to take you through the entire profile updation and registration process for the FinX Kotak program. Once you receive this mail, it is extremely important that you click on the No More tab, go through the entire page, look for what all it has to offer, and also towards the end when you scroll through this page you'll get to know about the FAQs. Most of your doubts will be solved through these FAQs only. Once you've gone through all of this, it is also important that you download the brochure and read thoroughly through the brochure as well. Once both of those things are done, you may click on Join Now and register if you haven't already. So here you'll have to put in your mobile number, once you select everything, click on submit. Now your login credentials have been mailed to you. So you just have to go to the link again. Click on register, go to login. Also, there will be an email OTP on your registered email address. You will be redirected to this page. And currently your profile is 20% complete. So once you are landed on the dashboard, the most important thing that you have to do is click on My Profile, read through all the instructions carefully, and then proceed to fill your profile details. Once you have filled in all the personal details, some of the fields are mandatory, some are not, but it is advisable that you fill in each and every field. Then it brings you to the profile details, upload resume part. The supported formats are mentioned here, so kindly stick to that. Also, make sure that your image and video are in the mentioned size. And it is also advisable that you upload a video resume so that the chances of you getting noticed by the recruiters increase significantly. Once all of this is filled in, check if all the details are accurate and then proceed to click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will get a notification for further communications, which will be sent via mail, and also you will be receiving a link for joining the WhatsApp group. So make sure that you join that and do not miss out on any of the latest updates or alerts regarding the placement program. All the best. Thank you.